Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Era Invitation. Before starting the video, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe this my YouTube channel. Okay, without wasting of time, let's start our video. Uh, Now we want to create inline procedure in SQL Server. Uh, this is uh, first part of uh, procedure in SQL Server. This is a simple procedure, but now we want to create inline procedure, and let's start. Inline and columns and now I want to check this procedure using this command, and I will pass this two column names in the parameter and execute. And you can see that uh, this concept is not suitable for in normal procedure. So we are using inline procedure for this concept. Okay, it's displaying the same value which we are passing, not displaying the data of these columns. Okay, let's start to make inline procedure. Don't forget to write this opening closing bracket. Ready, and I'm going to alter this procedure. Okay, then check this procedure. Okay, finally guys, you can uh, you can check this value of the both columns. You can pass another column names temp age. You can also pass temp age. Okay, and id, sorry, temp id. Okay guys, this is a normal inline query demo. This is for beginner, and in next video I will make very big queries like paging and another logic. So wait for the next video, and if you want copy this query, then I will also providing link in description. Please go to my blog and copy this query. Thanks for watching guys.